of the first MainBoard IPO of calendar year 2024, Jyoti CNC Automation Limited. Take a lot of pride in bringing to the market a company that epitomized India's revival as a global manufacturing powerhouse. Jyoti is one of the world's leading manufacturer of metal cutting CNC machine, accounting approximately 10% of market share in India in FY23 and 12th largest in the world. Jyoti has a subsidiary that is Huron, France, which is a pioneer for 5-axis machining technology, and the company has been able to successfully bring together technology and process excellence from Europe and the advantage of manufacturing in India to build one of the world's leading metal cutting CNC machine manufacturer. Jyoti customers operate in diversified sector, aerospace, defense, electronic manufacturing services, automobile, general engineering. Some of the key customers of Jyoti are ISRO, BrahMos, Tata Advanced Systems Limited, Bharat Forge, and Aequs Private Limited. During last 3.5 years, the company has supplied its products to 16 different countries through its offices based out of India, France, Germany, Canada, Turkey. As of September 30, 2023, the company has an order book of above 3,300 crore rupee. Set out below is the brief overview of the transaction. The price band for the transaction is 315 rupee to 331 rupee, and the offer size is 1,000 crore rupee, entirely consisting of a fresh issue. The company will utilize the money towards repayment of loan to the tune of 475 crore rupee, long-term working capital 360 crore, and general corporate purpose. The issue is opening for subscription to the public on 9th of January 2024 and will close on 11th of January 2024 and will list on 16th of January. Now we'll play a small corporate video of the company. Can we have the corporate video?
Good afternoon, everyone. Presentation. So, myself, Parakram Jadeja. I'm a managing director of the Jyoti CNC. Basically, I would like to take you off a journey of a Jyoti over here. Let's say the Jyoti is a first generation business. I started this company way back in 1989 with a small job shop and bought even lathe machines and started a career born and brought up at Rajkot and bought even lathe machines and doing the machining activity for a machine tools company in Rajkot. On those days also, the Rajkot was traditionally a conventional lathe manufacturing area over there, and I used to make a parts for them, and gradually we used to make a sub-assembly, and finally we were making the complete machines to be a conventional lathe machine. 1998 we realized that the computer is coming a big way on our nation there, and without a computer there will not to be any future, and we took a decision to make our this lathe machines with the computerized, though it's called as a computerized numerical control machines, and we have designed and developed in 1999, and from the day today in this journey we have close to a 12,000 plus customer has been created in across the manufacturing sectors. Basically, we are a backbone of a manufacturing industries. We manufacture the machines under the other machine categories there, and in across the manufacturing sectors, we are serving like automobile, general engineering, valves, pumps, dies and molds, aerospace, and now upcoming market called as EMS like that. In this journey, we have, let's say, created more than 30,000 installation in variety of 200 product over there, and we have created this all world-class manufacturer customers like Bosch, Aequs, BrahMos, ISROs, MBDA. These are our customer base we have created in this journey basically there. We are fully vertically integrated company, and we have a very diversified product baskets like that. In terms of today's with this all, we have a very robust order book out there, close to 3,300 crores, and across this the sectors what we already discussed about that. I would like to tell you more about the path, the key milestones over here. That let's say in 1999 our journey when starts, and then we were making the machines and all, and we were struggling, and we found that we need still to be a more technology supports there. So we took a decision in 2007 to acquire one of the French company called as Huron Grafenstatten, and we acquired them in 2007, and then it's basically is a place called as Strasbourg, is in the border of France and Germany. On the next year, we have made complete our all backward integration facilities at Rajkot, and we made our own R&D center called as a Leonardo da Vinci Centers, and is housed in, let's say the design capabilities has to be design, development, manufacturing and validations in one single roof. From 2008 to 2016, we were doing many of these machines and supplying to all this aerospace and defense, our Indian companies to be there. And our government has recognized this our industries as a strategic industries, and they come forward to develop a very special machines. And with in 2016, with the government of India and some of the academias together, we have signed the first MOU and to develop the first indigenous machine called as a multitasking 5-axis machines, and that project has completed last year and been commercialized. That was one of the greatest moments for all of us there. 2017, the digital era was started already. It's on 2015 and all. So the industries, let's say industries 4.0 and IoT based platforms was required. So Jyoti has designed and developed our own platform on Industries 4.0 called as a 7 Sense, and that automate the complete factories, and our customer can interface that relatively all the quality equipments and measurement equipment and all logistics and everything in a part of this our platform there. 2019, Jyoti has also developed many other digital product. And because the world is moving ahead more and more digitizations like that, and we have based on the artificial intelligence, we have made many applications called as a Prezi products and all to interface our machines and to our customer can utilize a much better way. 2022, we visualize that the EV is coming a big way. In future, the vehicles are going to become more and more electrical vehicle. So Jyoti has come forward and designed and developed many a product to use on an EV, the motors, the drives, the battery cell manufacturing and all, and we have designed and developed, and we are ready for future ready today to capture those market in a coming days. And last 1 year basically Jyoti and Huron combined, we have a completely turnaround years, and we have close to a 3,000 plus crores order book has been captured over here. In a nutshell, now today we are a global player. We have close to 30,000 machine installation in India and across 12,000 plus customer base. In Europe, geographically we have more than 66 countries. We have a customer base like that. And now after 2.5 decades, all the core team and management teams and the people has also very experienced people have been there to design and develop any kind of a complex the manufacturing machines to be there. And we have now learned from this European companies and adopted over here to be very high precision manufacturing here. We have a very wide customer portfolios, let's say diversified portfolio in terms of industry sectors also we already just discussed over there. And our strength is basically to design and develop the complete indigenous product over here to the future market, and is a world-class manufacturing facilities has been created at Rajkot. In terms of a market size, India is close to 20,000 crores market size are like that, and it's growing every year and we feel that in next 5 to 7 years, and all the research reports are coming that this next the whole world market also is reaching to be in double digits, and India is also to be much more better than that. Today we are close to a let's say 10% market share over here in the Indian market. And India still there is a great opportunity for us, because there is almost 2/3 the market size has been imported machines, and only 35% has been manufactured by the local manufacturer over here. By the way, this machine, I would like to tell you a little bit on a normal way. It's a very technical jargons are like that, but we like to make it a little bit more simplified this. We are into metal cutting industries, and many of you people might be aware about the metal cutting and all, but still, let's say as an layman language, I can say like that. If any object is on circular shape, an object is rotating, and tool is cutting, and chips are come out, it's called the turning machines, where the object, the job is rotating. And in a reverse, any object is a non-circular, like this is a non-circular, and the tool is rotating and jobs cuts, is called as a milling operations. And in metal cutting, these are the two main processes are like that. And let's say the turning machines is required always to be a 2-axis, and the milling machines are required to be 3-axis, X, Y, Z. And axis configurations will increase. Once with the 3-axis, you can do a 1 plane, then multiple plane is required to be 4-axis, and to be a complete universal machining is required to be 5-axis. It means the machines are, let's say Jyoti is addressing this all the market, 2-axis, 3-axis, 4-axis and 5-axis, and the category of a let's say turning and milling. And all these our machines are being equipped with the highest technology in this new area of a technology called as a linear motor machines. I like to tell you the one small example. What is a linear motor? Okay. So linear motor is, let's say everybody is aware about that magnetic principle, that train is moving on the same platform, this machine also is moving. It will increase the speeds and the precision like that, basically. So in a nutshell, in entire this manufacturing chain of a machine tools, Jyotis are present. In terms of our customers, we have a very diversified customer base are there. In auto and auto components, there are very good names like Tata, and in aerospace, Tata Advanced Systems, this Bosch, this ISRO, the BrahMos, the MBDA. MBDA is a French company, is making the missiles. And we have many lists are there in terms of the customers. I would like to tell you a little bit more on what we see here on the right side, the product. That is product called the Techion. The Techion Jyoti is designed and developed to serve to the EMS market, called as electronic manufacturing, particularly for the mobile manufacturing market. So Jyoti as way back has been identified that India has become a let's say electronic software industries are like that here, but we are not in terms of a large manufacturing on a hardware manufacturing there. So we thought that in future it will come, so there will be great opportunity for all of us here. And now last 2-3 years these industries are growing, and this our product has been identified with one of the very good manufacturers over there, and we got a good orders over there. I'd like to tell you a little bit about our Huron acquisition. The Huron is very, let's say, more than 150 years old company. They made a first milling machine somewhere in 1857. They made a first the universal 5-axis machines somewhere in 1905. And we, in this last 15 years, Jyoti has been completely enriched towards to all the manufacturing, design and developing and manufacturing core competencies has been transferred over here. And with that, even though we will have today as a very good international base of aerospace and the defense customers also, we got it because of the Huron legacy over there. and we are able to contribute to our nation based on that the technology, and able to supply to all our Indian ordnance factories and all. So, nutshell, because of this, our acquisition today, we are a global player and able to supply to the all world-class manufacturing customers based on that. Already I told you that our presence are almost 66 countries to be there, and only in the last 3 years, let's say the 30 years, we have more than 30,000 plus machines have been installed over here. I would like to tell you more about our capabilities and capacity today. Let's say in Rajkot we have a 2 manufacturing facility, and in this manufacturing facility we are able to produce close to 4,400 machines in a year, and it's a completely backward integration like that. And this is our phase 1, and the total lands are available there is we can do a similarly 4 phases like that. We don't need to go to another place like that. So that's how Jyoti is completely prepared to capture the future growth there. I would like to tell you a little bit about more on our vertical integrations over here. In our foundry, let's say we have our own foundry. There we are able to make it our own castings, and the biggest castings we are able to do a 50-ton single piece castings, and we have a capacity to produce a 1,500-ton castings per month there. And in terms of the manufacturing of a component machining, we have all world-class turning, milling, grindings, and all precision manufacturing zone. There we are able to make our complete components over there. In our sheet metal shop, we have all laser cutting, bending, robotic weldings, and all integrated paint shops are like that. And all our sub-assembly and assembly is completely a temperature controlled area to produce the very high precision and complex machine to be assembled over there. Already we have discussed in a past slide that we have our own R&D center, and close to 140 plus people, designers are working over here and day and night to developing a new product. And in the last 2 decades we have developed close to 200 the variants of the model. The 7 Sense is a digital platform, also is our in-house product that we have developed. All our machines are basically TPM friendly. That is today's hours the requirement like that, and the machines are equipped with this all the most latest software. This our own software, something like that. And I would like to tell you one more thing over here. This we have developed a very core competencies on the application side also. Let's say all our customers are taking, and we have more than 50 plus engineers are working to support every day on the application sides to their design and develop their fixtures and toolings like that. That is the extra services we are providing to them. In terms of sales and marketing, we are directly reaching out to in India. We have close to 29 sales and services offices and like that. And we have apart from the Punjab, we have our own sales networks and like that. And we are always reaching to this customer through the exhibitions and to a technical seminars and like that. These are our board, and apart from my 2 brothers, there are this 2 independent directors are like that. And I would like to tell you a little bit more about my this core team. This team has been developed in the last 20 years together with me. Let's say the CFO, the person name is Kamlesh, is working with Jyoti since last 20 years. The design head is called as Vijay Jala, is working with us more than 20 years with us now. Hitesh is also working with us. He is an operational head. Hiren and Vikas is also working more than 2 decades with us, and they are taking care of the sales and marketing. And Sivangi is working since last 17 years, and she take care of integration between the Huron and that's Jyoti. And today with us, even our CEO of the France, and Mark Troyer, he is taking care of completely the Huron over there as it is. We are very highly skilled manpower required company. We have close to 2/3 people are very high skilled people are like that, and close to 2,300 people are working here. In this journey, we got several recognitions like Economic Times, consecutive 5 times the best brands, and many of technological awards we have received. I would like to tell you more about very quickly on strategies. We are looking to be in 3 strategies to be there. Number 1, we are looking to be expansion into a emerging market. An emerging market for us is a aerospace, a defense, EMS, and EV. These are the other expansion of the area. That's our strategy, and we would like to expand more and more our business to these areas. Strategy 2, we are looking to be penetration into European market. Still, let's say Europe, we feel that is not growing, but it's not like that, because our manufacturing sectors today, let's say India is close to a $3 billion consumption, but Italy alone is consuming close to $5.6 billion in 22. So it's a entire center Eurozone is a very high areas like that, and now legacy of a Huron we would like to utilize and to be cost competitiveness in India. So that's the strategy 2. And strategy 3, we are looking to be more and more to be a import substitute in India. We have 2/3 market size still is coming from the countries like Germany and Japan, the main dominating countries are like that. So there we would like to capture the more business are like that. And we would like to leverage now all over these 3 strategies to our core competencies to design and develop and manufacturing these machines to be here. Already this is a strategy one we have discussed, and all the indicators are coming. The global market is expanding more than 10% over here, and that's why we are looking to be Europe is still to be the largest consuming area, and that's one of the strategies like that. India, everyone are knowing that based on this our Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat and all PLI schemes as fueling the more and more growth in manufacturing sectors. Once the manufacturing sector is growing, the machine tools are required, and there is almost, we already discussed that 2/3 machines have been improved, so there is a great opportunities for us to participate over there. We have a very large, robust order book today. I would like to tell you a little bit more about that here. Out of this 3,300 plus crores orders, more than 2,000 crores orders we have received from aerospace and defense, and mainly from Eurozone there. Okay. Apart from that, let's say we have a 12% orders are from the auto and auto components. To combine general engineering, dies and molds, we have close to all together, we have close to 900 crores worth of order books are like that. And in terms of EMS, we have close to 8% and close to 260 crores worth of orders are here with us. These are our main, let's say, in the coming days we are looking to be a main 4 growth driver. Right now this 2 is already reached out to in India in aerospace and defense and EMS sectors, and already we have discussed about our order book that is clearly visible over here there. And in a coming year we are prepared for already we have discussed about the electrical vehicle. Similarly, we are very our R&D team has worked out to be many machines are required, special high precision stages are required for semiconductor industries and all like that. Once that industries will come over here, Jyoti is going to be the forefront to service them, this all kind of industries like that. We would like to, let's say, tell you more about the detail on this our IPO, the size. Let's say it's 1,000 crores IPO, and out of this 1,000 crores we are going to 475 crores where largely we are going to pay the debt, and close to 360 crores we are going to use for our next working capital requirement for next 2 years there, and the rest we are keeping this reserve because we are strongly believing that the EMS business are going to grow in multi-fold, so we need to have some more rooms to develop our strategies to their own EMS business. So rest money we are keeping parking for reservation for that. And these are the key financials are like that. And I would like to tell you one more thing, that today we are driving through a very robust order book, and there are many more orders are on pipe on aerospace and defense like that. And you can see these numbers. I think I have covered everything on this my presentations. You can look at these things, and we can go ahead with the question and answer session in a coming time.